Welcome back to the video. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and locate your media gallery. So for that, I'm going to go ahead and look for my file right here. So go ahead and look for Files Manager on your phone. Whether you are using Android phone or you are using iPhone, you can follow the same procedure. Okay, so I'm going to simply come to the search right here and type in file. So I'll go ahead and click on I will go ahead and click on File Manager right here. Then from my File Manager right here, I will go ahead and click on Images. Then I will go ahead and click on my camera right here. Then I'll select this particular image right here. Having selected the image, how do we upload this particular image into our Google Photo? For that, what you need to do is to click on Share icon. The next thing you want to do is to swipe this way until you get to Google Photo. Continue to swipe. So here we go. This is my Google Photo right here. Photo upload to, click on that. And this is going to pump up right here. Next thing you want to do is to come down below right here. Click on upload. Uploading photos. Upload complete. Next thing you want to do is to exit from your gallery. Then go ahead and check the photo from your Google Photo. I'm going to simply click on photos right here. So here we go. This is the photo right here. For every photo that you upload to your Google Photo, it's going to have an indication right here. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Google Photo, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.